So in this video, I'm going to share 7 passive income ideas which will help you to earn money in the college. And I am earning money too.
30K per month passive income.
I'm not going to share just ideas, and I'm going to share how you can start with that specific passive income. And there is a quick reminder. I'm not going to give any tip which will make you a lot of money in a less time. I'm not going to share that. So if you are expecting that, I think this video is not for you. So without wasting 1 second, let's get into it. So in this, fourth one and seventh one are my favorite tips, and I am following that to earn money. Make a course. You might have seen ads of people telling about the stock market or about AI. So you can see the masterclasses about 2 hours. The question is how we can start. At firstly, you should have a talent on something else. For suppose if you have a talent of playing flute. So yeah, if you know how to play flute, you can make a master class on how to play flute. So you just have to write the detailed script for the 2 hours masterclass, like what are the things you are going to teach, how this is going to be helpful, and then you just record 1 minute ad video representing your masterclass about the importance of masterclass in just one video, and give that ad to Facebook ad, Instagram ad, YouTube ad. All these platforms will share your ad, and you'll get registrations from those ads. For your first masterclass, no one will attend. So as you keep on doing, you'll be good at it, and so many people will come to your masterclass. Affiliate marketing. See, I don't recommend to this person who don't have any network. For suppose if you have a huge network, then this will be a good option. Or if you don't have any network, even this would be a great option, because I have a friend who is handicapped. He started affiliate marketing. So the only work which he does is he'll grab the best deals and then post it in his Telegram channel. So in a year, he earned like 60,000 rupees. So affiliate marketing will be a good income, but I don't recommend you if you have a lot of time, if you have a lot of capability of doing many things, or if you have any skills. Affiliate marketing will be the last tip that you are going to follow. Investing. Do you know that in foreign countries, people like 80% of the people will invest in stock markets, but in India it was like 3 to 4%, and that's the main reason that we are still in middle class. Investing is very good for the person who has more money, because if you have more money, you can create more profit out of it, and you can create more loss out of it. I think most of you don't have any income, so you can just start small with just 100 rupees. So the question is how to get started. So first one is create a demat account on any stock broker, and then second one is start learning about the investing either on YouTube or take a course or something like that. Just know about investing, how the market works, how the trade works, how the cost of the stock will be decided. I have seen so many people completely shifting towards day trading and investing. That will be a great option. You are earning from money. And the one thing which you have to remember is when you are doing investing and trading, your emotions should be controlled. If you can't manage your emotions and control, you'll be. And don't worry, you'll learn everything when you are doing the process. In the starting, you may fail, and in the long run, you'll be succeeded because you have the experience on investing. And the fourth one of my favorite one, that is create an online product. There are so many people who are creating products online and they are selling online, and they're making a huge amount of money, because you don't have to create any store. You can just start this from your home. So they'll just buy all the products and they'll sell it on the online. If you observe that, I like a chitty pickles, and there are so many people who are selling agarbatis on Instagram. I was amazed at it. So the question is how we can get started. Firstly, decide the product which you want to sell online. It can be mobile cases, or it can be electronic products, or anything. Decide that product and buy that products in bulk. I don't recommend you to buy the products in bulk in the starting, because if you don't get any orders, you'll be in a loss, right? Fashion businesses and food businesses and healthcare businesses will work at its best. So if you don't have idea, you can choose any of this. Or if you have any skills, you can do freelancing on Upwork or Angel. So there are so many platforms you can do freelancing. And the second one is you can shoot videos. If you are good at shooting, you can do a stock photography or stock videography. Or if you are good at teaching skills, you can create courses. Write a book. See, I have seen so many creators who write books and they earn a lot of money by selling that books. If you are a writer, this would be the best option for you. And write a book based on your knowledge. And you can also write newsletters to all the people. So this will be the best option. Either write a book or just write the codes online. And the first one, the best of all, is YouTube. See, currently I'm making videos on YouTube. As a YouTuber, you'll earn a decent amount of money. As you observed, I have shared 6 tips before this, right? Every YouTuber do all these 6 steps. But suppose if you become a YouTuber, you can do affiliate marketing, you can sell your products, you can write a book, or you can do anything with your traffic. You can create a website, you can create an app. So you can do everything with that audience. So YouTube is the best thing you can start with. But the only problem is it takes a lot of time. I can't guarantee you how much time it takes. It will definitely takes on how much efficient or how much dedicated to you was. So it will take years to settle. Once you settle, it will be the best source of income that you have ever seen. So the question is how to get started on YouTube. See, it's very simple. Identify the thing which you are good at or the unfair advantages. For suppose my unfair advantage is I am good at self improvement, so I have knowledge on self improvement. So I have started making videos on self improvement. So if you have knowledge about cricket, if you have knowledge about movies or something, anything, so make videos on it and make more amount of videos on that specific topic, and you'll definitely see the growth in your, and every time improve something in your videos, it will definitely help you to create a large amount of traffic on YouTube or Instagram or anything. So this is the mistake which I did. I haven't started with shorts. If you are starting, always start with shorts, because shorts will give you a lot of reach to the audience. If you don't want all these things, if you want a bigger goal in your life, that will be starting your own business. So business is a game changer. For example, if you have seen all the passive incomes here, all these incomes were paid by the businesses. Okay, so every passive income was paid by businesses. So if you become a business person, you'll earn a lot of money, but it takes a lot of time and efforts, like your complete dedication towards that product. So don't start business for money. But I'll tell you one thing, for any source, don't even think about money, because money is a byproduct of what you do. If you do your work very good, so you'll get the money, but if you don't do it, you won't get the money. So if you're just working for money, all these things which I shared takes a lot of time, because these are going to be sustainable money. If you want a temporary money, you'll go for betting apps and all these kind of apps. They'll just destroy your life. But these are not like that. These are the sustainable ways. You can just like you can do them for 100 years and you will still make money. Okay, these are the sustainable incomes. So don't fall into the trap of temporary money towards these bettings or something like that. Don't even waste your life, because when you try this, you will get a lot of experience and you can share this experience to many people. Once you start with the existing incomes, you can create a new income about nowhere. So start with one and you'll definitely see the results. It will take some time, like 1 year or 2 years. It's okay, but it will be sustainable. So that's all for this video. Until then, it's your Hemanth Krishna signing off. Bye.